Hey everyone, this is Investigation News Network. I'm out here in the city of Northridge and I'm doing some cop watching. Looks like we have LAPD that pulled someone over. Want to make sure his rights aren't being violated out here. So we'll see what happens. I don't know what he was pulled over for, but they have the guy in handcuffs. Again, this is LAPD. We'll see what they're going to do with this guy. I can't really hear verbally what's taking place. I'm on a public sidewalk here on Balboa Boulevard, again in Northridge, on the corner of Balboa and Roscoe. Looks like they pulled this guy over in this red vehicle here, the Chevrolet. See what's going to happen here. See if I could get a little bit closer. Okay, it looks like LAPD is pulling out. Ironically, after I started videotaping, looks like hopefully his rights weren't violated tonight. Unit 81557, I believe the unit was on an LAPD vehicle. Okay, I guess that's a wrap. The citizens, looks like he's safe. Well, let's see if we could go over and ask them what they were detaining him for.
Hey, what are you recording?
Hey, I just cop watch. I make sure people's rights aren't violated.
I almost got violated thanks to you.
Oh, that's good. All right, have a nice night. Why'd they pull you over?
No, I almost got violated thanks to you.
Yeah, every time we show up, they just automatically pull out.
They're like, oh, someone's watching us.
Oh, they said that?
Yeah, I just want to make sure you know that.
Oh, I appreciate you telling me.
So they said that someone's watching us, and then after that, they were more like,
Yeah.
They weren't as assholes.
Right, not quite as big of assholes, huh?
Because I was passed out on the car.
Sleeping.
So, yeah.
Which
Yeah,
isn't a crime. You're on
Yeah,
private property.
Exactly. My lights were on and everything. But the fact is that I was asleep in private property.
Exactly.
Perhaps.
Exactly.
But once they got to me, they wanted to incriminate me, and I was like, yo, take it easy. I fucking, I've been working all day.
Yeah, you're tired. You took a nap. No crime here.
Exactly. Yeah, I passed out here. Yeah, it's totally understandable.
Yeah.
But they did want to press me.
Yeah.
They did want to press me.
Well, I was just passing by and I thought, okay, let me quick stop to make sure your rights aren't violated.
Yeah, no, they did want to press me. They did want to violate my rights, but as a citizen, I was just like, you know what, you need to take it easy. I was like,
Yeah.
you know, yeah, I understand that, you know, people called you because I was passed out or whatever. But
Sleeping, yeah.
Exactly. That doesn't give you the right to violate my natural
Exactly.
rights.
Exactly.
My natural birthright.
And that's
So,
the thing. A lot of people don't know what their rights are, or
Yeah.
when the cops pull up on them, they're worried or scared, and they just they don't know their rights.
yeah,
So.
like my situation right now. I mean, I was, you know, I've been going out throughout my day. I decided to pull over here.
Sure.
I passed out.
Right.
You know, I probably had my lights out. The officer said someone called.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Someone called. I'm
Again, no
here.
crime committed.
Exactly. I'm here.
Yeah.
You know.
Right.
Thank you.
It's better that if you were tired, you stopped to take a quick nap than be driving, right?
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So,
Yeah.
so I'm here. You know, I'm telling the officer, hey, you know what? I'm tired.
Yeah.
I passed out here.
Yeah.
You know, what else am I supposed to do?
Exactly.
Am I
Safer
supposed-
than sorry, right? You did the right thing by
Am I
pulling
supposed
over.
to tell him, hey, you know what? I've been drinking and driving. I'm going to go about
Right.
the road. Am I supposed to say that?
Right.
Of
Right.
course not.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
you know, I'm telling him legitimately, you know what? I'm tired. I've been driving. I just, you know, I have to stay here for a little bit. And
Yeah.
he's like, all right, you know what? I understand.
Yeah.
He's like, maybe
Yeah.
you had a beer or two. He's like, that's cool.
Yeah. So again,
We
you're
just don't
being
want you-
you're being safe and
Yeah.
pulled over, and
He's
yeah.
like, you know, we don't want you driving. We don't want you this and that. He's
But they did acknowledge that I was filming them.
yeah, right away they're like, hey, they're like 213 just to let you know someone is recording. Someone is recording. So
Yeah.
after that, they were more like specific about it. You know,
Uh-huh.
they were more like
A little more
understandable.
careful, right?
Yeah, pretty much. Because
Exactly.
other than that, you know how they are.
Yeah. Oh.
You know they
we all
try to
know how they are.
maximize
Yeah.
the law and
Yeah.
they try to have it right here and
Right.
you know and.
Well, I'm glad I was able to help out, and I was passing by at the right time. What's your name, sir?
Robert.
Robert.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I
You
have
know
a.
what? You did help out a lot because the officers did acknowledge you.
Yeah.
They did see you.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, they did see you. So
Yeah.
thank you.
They
to
don't
you.
like their corruption on film, do
Yeah.
they?
So thank you to you. That's a possibility that I got let go free today.
Well,
You know?
glad to be of help.
Because just because of what you said right now.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
know, you're glad that the corruption is not on film.
Yeah, that's
know, and-
that's what it
and,
comes down to. They don't want to be filmed
honestly,
while they're violating people's rights.
Exactly.
You know?
Exactly. You know, the last thing LAPD wants is an innocent bystander, you know, explaining to the public what's wrong with
Right.
the service.
Well, again, once they know they're being filmed, they generally
Yeah.
they're a little more careful in what they do.
You
so
know what? I never noticed that until now, and until I've been watching them. You know, like right now, I don't know where you popped out,
yeah.
and they acknowledged you.
Oh, yeah,
They acknowledged you right away, like
yeah.
you were part of the radio sequence.
I was part of the radio sequence.
Yeah, so-
I'm sure I was. Yeah.
So when that happened, I was just like, wow.
Yeah. Wow.
You know, because they were over here telling me this and that, and they're like, Roger 10-4, so and so is recording you. Be aware.
So they got on the radio right away.
They're like, be aware, someone's recording you. I was like, what the fuck? And I looked around and I saw you.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. That's good because
Yeah. No,
you know,
we're all
they-
out here, and
yeah.
we're keeping them accountable.
Yeah, because
And they need to be.
Yeah, because you know they're here to protect and serve.
Absolutely.
You know, and that's the bottom line.
Yeah.
That's the bottom
Not
line.
abuse
and
Yeah.
and you know sometimes they do abuse.
Oh, absolutely, on a
Like right
regular
now here.
basis.
I was under handcuffs and everything, and the officers.
Well, that's what I noticed. You were in handcuffs,
Yeah.
and I said, oh, "Okay, let me pull over and let me make sure you're okay."
And the officer's still trying to give me shit.
Uh-huh.
Dude, I'm in handcuffs. What
Right.
the fuck am I supposed to do? What am I
Right.
supposed to say?
Right.
Hey, loosen them up a little bit.
Yeah.
That's all I can say.
Yeah.
I can't be like, hey, you know what? Why are you having me in handcuffs?
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? No. You know, I respect his safety. I
Yeah.
respect that he needs to be safe. You know, so he puts me in handcuffs. I'm a big dude.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
I respect that.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, when the handcuffs are on, you don't have to take advantage of
Yeah, well, I mean, there was really, no reason to even put you in handcuffs. You weren't being arrested. You know, they were simply asking
Exactly.
why you were sleeping,
I'm
and
a law-abiding citizen.
exactly.
I don't fucking be like, hey, you can't do that.
Right.
You know, I'll abide by the law. Just like, what's going on?
Yeah.
You know?
Anyway, so yeah,
Meeting with me.
you could catch me on YouTube. It's Investigation News Network. Investigation News Network on YouTube. So yeah, it's a growing community of auditors. We do auditing, cop watching, and just making sure that they're held accountable, basically.
Well, I would definitely upkeep the cop watching.
Yeah.
Because you never know what you can run into when you're doing that.
Absolutely.
I'm sure like you run into a lot of stuff.
Oh, we do. We do.
But I'm sure you guys run into stuff that.
Oh, we do. We get arrested too. They try to, for filming, which is your First Amendment right to film.
Yeah.
So.
I'm sure there's a lot of things you guys run into that are, like they don't agree with.
Yeah.
But like, who else is gonna watch that?
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
And that's the things that they get away with. Like they talk about like underage prostitution, underage. Like those rings or whatever, those rings that they have, the underage prostitution rings. And like, if you think about it, like the cops know about it.
Of course they do.
They're the ones that organize it.
They're probably some good customers in that organized prostitution ring. Come on, like, listen, they're either with a prostitute in a hotel or they're in a donut shop, one or the other.
Yeah, and like it's crazy how like. The cops will target so many entities, so many like probable cause or whatever, but they won't target like specifically, like prostitution. They won't search for it.
Right.
Or they won't.
Unless they're doing a specific sting in one particular time, but other than that,
Unless somebody didn't pay their taxes and, they got to go after them. So that's what it comes down to, and it's crazy because the American people are just like, they're taking care of it. They feel like on the regular day basis that, like the cop that pulled me over today, that he came and tried to run my car, like, it's like that.
Yeah.
But it's not.
Right. Well, there's always profiling, and they see.
Yeah, but you have these cops. They're after more than just the fucking prostitution ring.
Yeah.
They're after like who's making the drugs, who's selling it, who's the one carrying the prostitution.
Yeah.
And sometimes they don't have that information, but they will continue. They will continue until they get it.
Yeah. Well, like I said, we're out here keeping things straight with these tyrants and these cops that are, they're basically looking to violate anybody's rights that they can.
Yeah.
So,
like my rights could have been violated tonight if it wasn't for my understanding of the Constitution.
Right.
Then I would have been violated, of course.
Yeah.
Of course I would have been violated.
Yeah. If people don't know their rights.
Few things,
Exactly. Yeah.
A few things that I said, I would have already incriminated myself.
Mm-hmm. If you didn't know.
If I didn't know,
Good for you. Good for you.
So I know a little bit of the Constitution, so I'm able to get by.
Good.
Just like the officer said, they're like, you're out here, someone called, you have to come and this and that.
Yeah,
and
they have to do their service call, but they don't have to put you in handcuffs. They don't have to violate your rights, and no crime committed.
Yeah, that's totally understandable. Like how they don't have to go beyond like that, but they still do.
Oh, if you let them,
Just as a citizen, you still have to like let them just like be like the cop was being, and he wasn't like he was an aggressor. Like I've had before, like
you've dealt with that before. Really aggressive cops.
Yeah, really aggressive cops, and they're like they want you in jail.
Oh yeah. And they'll do anything to put you there.
Exactly. So they know that you're going downtown, and they know that that's where you're at, and nobody's removing them from that decision.
Yeah.
And they put that in their mind, and that's like a goal of theirs, or like
Oh, absolutely.
But I've had that psychotic type of officer where he's like, you're going downtown and you're going now.
Oh yeah.
We've
all seen it. We've all dealt with it, unfortunately. Exactly. So, but anyway, I was glad to be here at the right time and help you out.
I'm glad because, like I said, the officer made it pretty clear. He's like, 10-4, 10-4. you're being recorded, just FYI. You know, so when they told that to each other, they were a little bit more provocative. You know, they were a little bit more like careful.
A little more careful in their actions. Exactly. Yeah, since they were being filmed.
Exactly. So after that action happened, they're like, oh, well, we're gonna figure out, and then that's when they're like, oh.
Yeah, they left soon after.
Yeah. Yeah, and you know what? Usually they don't. Usually they stick
no.
around and they
search your cars, do whatever they can do.
They want to get in there and they want to get, you know.
And once they're in there, they could plant anything. You don't know what they're
gonna
do.
I didn't believe in that shit until I started seeing the videos, and it's fucked up, man.
Oh, it happens.
It is so fucked up.
It happens. Yeah.
Fuck, I'm Mexican, but I feel bad for those black people that they planted stuff.
Yeah, it can happen.
You know, I've seen those videos.
Yeah.
I've seen those videos, and it's fucked up. Like.
Yeah.
It's really hard for them to say no, it wasn't me, or you know, when it was, the video doesn't lie.
Exactly, video does not lie.
You know,
and so I'm going to go ahead and cut it here.
It's okay.
Thank you for your time. I really, really appreciate it.
Thank you guys. I appreciate